Very big box.
This is the PowMr solar controller. Like that? Solar controller.
Yeah, we need to trying to save a power because we pay every month very
Okay,
expensive na.
we have the booklet.
What's that? Power, guidance, rules,
PowMr.
how to use it.
How to
Okay.
use it, etc, etc, etc. And this is nicely wrapped in the box in foam.
Yeah, there's a foam. That's good.
Hold him up like that. And then
It's very expensive present to yourself, love.
it's not for me, it's for my wife. Spend 9,000 pesos on myself, it's for my wife. God, I never get to spend 9,000 pesos on me.
Yeah, because that's cheap. You spend 35,000 pesos for yourself.
Just bear with me while I get the wrappings off. There we go.
Actually, you're always watching YouTube, but I don't understand that. You lot of movies you watch.
PowMr.
What is
Solar inverter charger.
that's a charger?
1.6 kilowatt. On off switch. Attachment for the wall.
Okay.
Communications. Air. So we have air both sides. And then our display panel at the front.
Just like a laptop, touchscreen cell phone. You
Yeah,
push.
push.
Wow.
And then under here we have our battery cables going in and out. Our photovoltaic cells
Negative,
going in and
positive.
out. AC going in from the wall.
AC going out.
And AC going out.
It means out of the house.
So we can have AC power coming in, 240 volt, 220 volt, whatever. That will power the unit, and we can have AC going out. So this is an inverter as well. So
Save
the power comes in here. You can charge your battery bank here. So if your battery bank is low, it will charge automatically from the AC power. And then when your battery is powered up, the power will come out of the AC to run your house.
Okay.
And here is your solar power in. So if you have solar power panels, they plug in here.
Okay.
So you can power with solar panels, or you can power with
it
AC.
means double purpose.
Double.
Oh, okay. Double purpose, guys.
But quite heavy. Okay.
How many kilos is that, do you feel? 2?
I don't know.
3?
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Thanks.